Welcome. We at Borg & Overstrom, world-class designers of premium water systems who pride ourselves in a strong brand and our quality range of products. Today we want to go through some of the fantastic features of our new ProCore water system, highlighting the benefits and our drive to innovate high-quality systems. As part of the new under-counter ProCore system, we now offer the additional UV sterilisation set. This can be factory fitted by ourselves here at Borg & Overstrom, and this will mean that every single dispense option, whether it be the chilled, the ambient or the sparkling, will be UV treated. We are utilising an aluminium dry block within the cooling system. This is simply a casted aluminium block which has two coils within the set then. One will be the direct chill cooling coil for the water to go through, and the other coil will be the evaporator coil of the refrigeration set. We offer two different drip tray options, the surface mounted option and the freestanding option. With the ProCore under-counter unit, we offer a simple ventilation kit with every single unit. This simply extracts away the warm air from the unit and allows the ambient cooler air to come into the unit for the unit to work accordingly. Hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of our new under-counter ProCore unit. If you need any more information, please look at our website or contact us directly.